right there. Nothing but net. You're just tuning in. Arellano has took a step. Wide open three, delivered again by Arellano. Three on the way, no go. Here comes Arellano on a wide open layup. And in transition, Arellano with a teardrop. And just like that, they forced FRJ Rizal to go for a ceasefire. 6 minutes, 20 seconds remaining. Three minutes remaining. FRJ lays it up, no go. Shoulders down on FRJ. They may have given up on this ball game. Especially, it was a close one in the early going of this game, the first quarter, up until the second. Blowing an open layup like that has been the story for FRJ. And look at Arellano, just burning away the clock. Wide open layup. Looks like Arellano would even reach the century mark. RJ still misses the three. And Arellano dribbling away with the time. And that is it. The referee has called it off. 97-65. Arellano has dominated FRJ Rizal.
Driving strong to the lane. Ooh, yung reverse wala pero yung trailer niya nandun for that putback.
The next game will be VMBC in
San Pablo.
San Pablo.
Big Manuel.
Yeah,
Basketball Club. Kaya nandito si Coach. Lahat yan masculine. Oo.
Marlins, yes.
Grabe talaga yung
Cagayan de Oro Nuggets.
Oo, kaya talaga pinapanood ko talaga yun noon.
Yan yung team na pangalan ng team sa Pasig.
So palagi.
Blue Pirates. Diyan nang galing sila. Kiko Adriano.
Sila Stars.
Alex Compton. Yan. Marami ring na-produce ng player yan. Ontiveros. Don Ontiveros.
Oo, ito.
Isa sa mga player natin sa Arellano, yung anak niya si John Ferriols.
Oh,
Iloilo Bulls yun, di ba?
John Ferriols.
So, yung anak niya nasa atin, pati yung sa KD si...
And the layup is good. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. Ayun. Cedric Bearfield.
Oh, wala nice pass.
Oh! Ganda naman ang pass. Ano yun? Sayang. 8-1. Down by 19 points. Here. Oh, wait.
Humahabol lang. Unti-unti. Ventura from Isabela. Again, partner, yung sinasabi mo kanina ball rotation, yun ang wala talaga.
Yes.
Up to this quarter, no?
Ooh, what a move by the big boy.
Ventura. Ay, hindi pumasok.
Arellano's running again.
They keep on running.
Yeah, we substitutions here. Pasok dito. Si Yanga. No, it's Apigo. Fresh leg coming from Arellano. Apigo. And Lampard with a putback. Apigo. Apigo pa din. Pass to Guanse. Bang! 3 points
Set
coming
shot
from
there.
So, inside, gets blocked by Isip. 5
Ito,
seconds
nagmamadali.
sa ating last quarter. I mean second quarter. And
Oh!
Lampard with a basket.
Beating the buzzer, and we are heading on. Here comes the Blue Hawks. So, 2 big men ang pinasok dito ng Blue Hawks. Corpus and Natividad. Nice fake, drop off.
Basket dyan para dito kay Cyrex Visaya.
Cyrex Visaya.
Well, narinig naman natin na mula sa interview both coaches, mas dodoblein pa rin daw yung depensa. Pero mas nananaig pa rin yung depensa dito ng Arellano. And Corpus inside gets fouled.
Arellano, yun ang kanilang training talaga.
Defense. Ng Arellano tumatalo pero Natividad pa rin, wala. Eto na, Apigo. Ashton John Apigo with a floater. And Morales will receive, guarded by Apigo. Apigo, pass to welcome back here to the Velvet D-League Basketball. At pasok tayo sa ating fourth.
Eto na, crunch
final
time na.
Quarter.
It's crunch time.
Uy, taking 3, no good. Bola. Tsaka yung depensa.
Oh, yun lamang nila eh.
Eto, Cyrex, lilipad. Cyrex!
Oh!
With a stare down. Orgong inside, kinaliwa. Kaso nga lang, masyadong mahina. Pass break. Cyrex ulit.
Ayan na naman! Panis na naman!
Bumipit.
Or para safe, just make it.
Sinablay na nga lang niya.
Sablay na lang. And that
And
is going to
that's
be
it
it.
para dito sa ating 18 under championship game. 69-68, Arellano ang magwawagi. At dahil dyan, nagtatapos ang ating laban. And again, congratulations sa Arellano. At ako po yung lingkod. Nasa Genesis at kasama ko si RJ. And this is Velvet D-League Basketball. Kita-kits tayo next season. At maraming salamat po.